The 2025 Honda Hornet CB750 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A rebirth of Honda's legendary Hornet name that has always represented sharp handling, aggressive design, and performance that excites both new riders and experienced ones. This new model takes the same philosophy and transforms it with cutting-edge technology, modern styling, and a performance-packed engine that makes every ride feel like an adrenaline rush. The Hornet has always been one of Honda's most iconic street fighters, and in 2025, it comes back stronger, meaner, and more refined than ever before. When you first lay your eyes on the Hornet CB750, the design immediately grabs your attention. It has sharp lines, a muscular tank, and aggressive Street Fighter styling that looks like it's ready to pounce. The LED lighting setup, slim tail section, and exposed frame give it a very modern naked bike appeal, while still staying true to Honda's design DNA. It's compact, minimalistic, but still aggressive enough to stand out on the streets. Whether parked at a cafe or blasting through city roads, the Hornet makes a bold impression. But the real magic of the Hornet is under the skin. At the heart of the 2025 Hornet CB750 lies a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled and packed with modern engineering. This engine produces around 90 horsepower and over 75 Newton-meters of torque, which is plenty of power for a bike of this size. What makes it even more special is the balance. Honda designed it to give explosive performance at mid-range RPMs while still being smooth and easy to control at lower speeds. This means whether you're commuting in traffic, cruising on highways, or carving mountain roads, the Hornet adapts perfectly. The performance is matched with an incredible soundtrack. Thanks to its unique crankshaft design, the Hornet produces a throaty and aggressive exhaust note that adds to the thrill of riding. It doesn't just move fast. It sounds powerful and alive. Every twist of the throttle feels connected, sharp, and responsive, making it one of the most engaging bikes in its category. Handling has always been a core strength of the Hornet name, and Honda has worked hard to make sure the 2025 model delivers. The bike uses a lightweight steel diamond frame that offers rigidity while keeping weight low. With a curb weight of just around 190 kilograms, the Hornet feels light and nimble, perfect for quick direction changes and sporty riding. The suspension setup, featuring Showa SFFBP upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock, ensures comfort on city roads and precision on twisty back roads. The braking system with dual front discs and ABS keeps everything under control, giving the rider confidence at high speeds. One of the most impressive aspects of the Hornet CB750 is its technology package. Honda has equipped it with a 5